what I'm thinking is just like taping my face back like this all the time. Bella Hadid. This is the vibe. But I have a bit of a moon face. Hey dolls, it's Anastasia Lulu. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get a facelift at home. Okay, I don't want to big this up that much, but this is the new and improved way of contouring that literally makes your face look so snatched. Okay, so I saw this trend on TikTok and seriously, I'm obsessed. I really think it does like wonders on my big moon-shaped face. I always think makeup is all about trying new techniques, seeing what works for you and your face shape, and I am just loving this new trend. Okay guys, so if you are into looking snatched and fierce, please keep watching. Okay, so I have applied everything except for like my concealer, my contour, my blush, because I just want to show you guys how to get a really snatched look using just a few products. So to begin with, I'm going to go in with my Iconic London Seamless Concealer, and I'm going to go in with quite a light shade because I feel like this really brightens and lifts the face. I'm going to be really strategic with where I place this product, just on the inner corner, just kind of on the lash line. And this is the most important part. I'm going to apply this going in an upward motion from my lash line. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Taking my Iconic London fluffy brush, I am just going to pat that product in. This just really helps brighten under the eyes while creating a really lifted effect. If you guys have watched my other videos, you know I always do this trick. Now for a really gorgeous kind of seamless finish, I grab a damp beauty sponge and press my concealer into the face. The sponge will pick up any excess product and leave you from looking too cakey or like you're wearing way too much. This kind of facelift is all about a natural finish. Don't worry about it looking too light on the skin because we're gonna go back in and warm up the face. And just to prevent the under eye from creasing too much, I'm gonna take a little bit of my kind of pressed powder and apply that directly under the eye. I'm not taking it up here too much because I'm still gonna go in with cream products. Literally just under the eye to stop that creasing. And of course, this is my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder. Okay, now that the eyes are looking a bit more snatched, I'm gonna go in with the new way of contouring. I am grabbing my Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand and applying this directly. I'm gonna follow the line of my ear right here and apply a line. I'm gonna go on my forehead and do the same on the other side. Concentrating the contour on a higher part of the face, literally almost on the cheekbone, rather than bringing it down here. Again, just kind of lifts and sculpts the face to give the illusion of a more snatched and angular look. Now, I would normally go and blend that out, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show it to you guys where I would place my blush in relation to the contour. I'm literally applying the blush right above the contour. I'm even applying blush onto my temples, literally where the sun would naturally hit. And for blusher, I used my Nudies Matte Blush in Beach Babe. For my highlighter, I am taking the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. Okay, so there you dolls have it, a really kind of clear face mapping of the new way to contour. This gives you like a facelift at home, okay? We are not dragging product down here, focusing and weighing down our face on the bottom half. We are lifting the products up, placing them high, and creating a really snatched illusion. So here's a close-up. You apply the highlighter, the blush, and the contour. I am obsessed. And because we went in with that concealer and really kind of emphasized and drew out all the way to the outer corners of our face, it is just helping amplify that really kind of fox-eyed, snatched trend. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in and do some blending. I'm just using a Real Techniques brush, and I am just patting this into the skin. It's okay if it mixes and blends, you know, that is how we want it to look. Really natural, really beautiful. No harsh lines. You should not be able to see highlight, blush, contour. It should look very natural. This just adds the perfect amount of definition to the face. And I think it's just such an easy approach to contouring. Okay, and then I go in with that damp beauty sponge and just quickly dab over the areas to pick up any extra product. Okay, so there you have it. There is like a really easy, updated way to snatch your face using contour, blush, and highlight. But because we're a little bit extra on this channel, I'm gonna go in with a few extra steps to complete this non-surgical facelift. So taking that same seamless concealer in a very light shade, I am gonna go directly under the contour, just create a little line. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm taking a flat concealer brush and just blending that in. This is just going to help really define that contour. Again, this step is a little bit extra. It's so not necessary on your day-to-day, but I just kind of love it for like photos and videos. It just takes your glam to the next level. Using a sponge, I am going to blend that in. We do not want any harsh lines. And I'm gonna show you guys my favorite new trick. I also saw this on TikTok of contouring the nose. So I'm gonna take my favorite bronzer, which is the Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder in Warm Bronze. And I am going to apply this all over the nose. Okay, once that is applied, I'm gonna go in with the tiniest amount of concealer, just on the bridge of the nose and the little tip. Taking my finger, I'm going to blend that in. Okay, and of course, if that wasn't enough, I'm gonna go back in with my Charlotte Tilbury highlighter and apply some highlight. And there you have it. There is my little like 2-second nose job contour. Okay, I'm gonna tie the glam together by placing a little bit of my Ultimate Bronzing Powder under my lash line here, my waterline. And I'm gonna spritz my finished glam with a bit of Prep Set Glow Spray. I'm gonna zhuzh my hair and show you guys the final look. Okay dolls, so there you have it. There is your non-surgical facelift using just a few products. I love using makeup to enhance certain features and just, you know, kind of play with your face shape. I think it's so fun. I definitely think like back in the day, the contour trends were just so crazy and also like really daunting and really overwhelming. And this little trick is such an easy way to lift the face and enhance your natural bone structure in a super like simple and digestible way. I hope you guys liked this video. I love learning new things on TikTok, and you know, I just feel like kids these days, they just have so many great ideas and ways of applying makeup that I'm constantly on there and learning something new. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!